In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Marriott Bonvoy points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your account so you can transfer any amount of points that you have. So you will be able to do this through the Marriott Bonvoy website after you sign into your account that has access to the loyalty program, or you can also do it through the mobile app. Go over to your PC or your phone and access either the website or the mobile app. Now, once you are here, you will be able to scroll down, and usually at the bottom, you will be able to find the option to manage your points. So you can choose Marriott Bonvoy Overview, Member Benefits, and so on, but I recommend going over to Redeem Points. You will be able to see all of the ways in which you can use the points available on your account. Once again, by scrolling down, you will have more information, and you can choose to combine accounts if you want to merge points on one account to another account on your name. But if you are looking to transfer specifically, you have to go into the points transfer tool. So you can look for this page, how do I transfer points to another member on Google? And then after you click on this option, you will be redirected into this page where you can sign into the loyalty program. Now in here, or when you click manage points, you will be able to sign in with your account and then transfer the points to other members. You will have to include your credentials, and after you are done signing into your account, in that page, you will be able to include the necessary details. Sadly, I cannot show you the full process on screen because I don't have an account with points available at the moment, but in there, you will be able to enter the recipient's information, specify the amount of points, and get this transfer done. Keep in mind that the account status is very important. Both accounts must be in good standing and have been open for at least 30 days with activity or 90 days without activity. There is a maximum of points that you can transfer per year, and as long as you meet the good account status and the requirements, you will be able to get this transfer done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Marriott Bonvoy points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.